This illustration deals with conformity assessment. In accordance with 130.7C 14 B3, Informational Notes 1 and 2, and NFPA 70E. Now, the purpose of the change is a new informational note. It was accepted and added to refer to the ISO 17065 standard for an accreditable independent third-party certification process, kind of going through and telling you how to perform one, and service information pertaining to products. Now, I would also suggest that you see NEC 110.3, B as in boy, C as in car, OSHA 1910.399. And if you really want more information, to obtain more information on third-party certification, I also refer you to OSHA 1910.7. Now, let's review the notes first, if you please. Now, notice note 1 just basically says NFPA 70E, table 130.7C14 on page 34 should be reviewed. Now, note 2, for more additional information on third-party certification, then there is 1910.7 and 1910.399 of OSHA that I recommend that you see. Now, the note 3 states, employee is interacting with electrical conductors and circuit components as outlined in 110.2A2 on page 24. Now, notice each page number is given for each note that we've reviewed. But this person is doing some kind of testing, some kind of repair work in accordance with NFPA 70B, for example. Now, the final information is see these standards. The ANSI standard 125. The informational note then refers you to ISO 17065 as previously stated as outlined on page 33 here. The informational note refers you to some information, 130.C14B3 on page 33. So we're listing the informational notes at 1 and 2, which refer you to standards that will provide you with more information on third-party certification and how we would conform with such an assessment to comply with 70E and what these standards want you and I to accomplish when we're performing a third-party type certification or have it being performed in our facility, for example.